Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Qgis and bring up the Python console immediately. This gives you interactive access to ifase, canvas, and project variables. First, make sure a project is loaded and the target layer is visible so commands return features. Next, choose Console for quick one-liners and Editor to write reusable scripts. Save files in a scripts folder. Once done, test a simple print ifase. Map Canvas to verify the environment. This establishes that Qgis objects are accessible for the next steps. Now you target data, get the active layer via ifase. Active layer, or fetch by name with Qgis project. Instance, map layers by name, layer name 0, then iterate features using for feet and layer. Get features, and read attributes with feet field or geometry with feet. Geometry, this is how you inspect and manipulate records. If you need geoprocessing, call processing. Run native buffer with proper parameters. Make sure to start edit sessions before writing and commit changes, after to persist edits. To finish, save changes and clean up, call layer. Commit changes, after layer. Start editing and use layer, roll back if something goes wrong. For debugging, sprinkle print and Qgis message log. Log message to capture state and inspect the Python traceback in the logs panel when exceptions occur. If results are unexpected, make sure CRS between layers match and geometries are valid. Mismatched references or none returns usually indicate wrong layer names or unloaded layers. Finally, close the editor and document reusable snippets for future runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.